What you would then do, after pre-washing your cutlery, crockery, you would place it into your dishwasher, slide in, close the door and press the button. This will show the time elapsed from the wash cycle, and when it's fully green you'll emit a tone and you're ready to take out your crockery. What's happening at the present, it's gone through a wash cycle. The option on this one is to get rid of the steam, to avoid the steam coming out into the room, and it helps with the drying. It's now completed its cycle, empty. Take out your crockery, put it aside and put your new basket in. The Hobart machines have a feature, should you require it, of putting in an additional rack. Therefore you can wash 2 baskets at the same time, so increasing the capacity by 50%. Put your plates in the top. You could have cups, bowls in the bottom. Operate. So from a very small footprint, you have twice the capacity.